In mid-May 2021, a fierce tornado came through the town as part of a rare severe weather event across China that day. The tornado swept up everything in its path, hurling debris into the air. It's unclear whether those were electric sparks or lightning strikes. According to local authorities, the tornado caused significant damage to both people and property. It's known that late spring is when tornadoes often appear in Jiangsu. Not far away, Shanghai issued weather warnings after detecting thunder and lightning. A rare event was captured in Haikou City, Hainan Province, in August 2022, leaving residents completely stunned. But don't be so quick to think about a doomsday scenario.